Maikemisetso ka molao wa ARDO ke ho fokotsa dikotsi mebileng moo bakganni ba fuwang dintlha tse 15 mme tlolo ka nngwe ya molao dintlha di a fokotseha mme ha di fedile license e a kwalwa ha nakwana. Auta e ritetse nyewe ka Mphalane ngwahola hore molao ona o ka se kgonehe.
As you know, across the country, municipalities and metros manage their own traffic fines. Some do it better than others. They process them in a way that works for them and it works within the laws of the country and in their local laws. They have their different categories and the charges that they apply. Some municipalities, by the way, just seem to think that if they put up cameras, it becomes a money-making racket, and it is. It is a money-making issue and got nothing to do with road safety. So we felt that we needed to challenge the constitutionality of this national usurping the powers of local government and then also deal with later on the workability issues.
Jolo ka lefapha la dipalangwang le hlotse ke ditaba le ntse le hota hore e ka ba nna le tla ipiletsa.
We are quite aware of the judgments and we obviously respect the judgments of the court. As a department, going forward, we are going to study the judgments and we will indeed consult our counsel, and it is only then that we will map the way forward.
ARDO ine se iqadile ho kenngwa tshebetsong naha ka bophara ka mekgahlelo ho qala ka kgwedi ya Phupungwahola moo mokgahlelo wa boraro o neng o tla qala kgweding ena.